Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Car phone holder. Automatically find the alignment of the mobile phone coil to maximize the charging efficiency. 15 watts wireless fast charge. Intelligent identification. Car polishing machine. Cordless design is convenient for waxing. 45 minutes of long battery life. Long battery life allows users to wax their cars at one go, even if they have a big car. A powerful motor with stable performance offers efficient waxing. Car digital tire inflator. With such a mini size, it could be easily taken in your back bag when you go hiking, or just set it in your car for the use of emergency. 150 psi powerful air pressure provides a faster inflating speed. Rearview Mirror Dash Cam. The camera chip has a built-in night vision processing function, which allows you to record video even in low-light environment. With a 170-degree wide-angle lens, the camera can comfortably monitor 3 lanes. Car vacuum cleaner. High suction force, long battery life. An 80,000 RPM brushless motor lets cordless vacuum cleaners no longer leak. No carbon brush loss improves cleaning efficiency. 15,000 pascals turbocharged metal blades remove soot, hair. Table desk for Tesla Yanzi desk tray. Not only for driving position and co-pilot position, you can work with your friends or family, eat, play video games, write. More can be finished in your car. Say no to plastics and yes to our sustainable bamboo. Car FM transmitter, accurate structural design, USB 3.1A charger, Bluetooth compatible version 5.0. Charge for listening, support power and storage functions. The screen can display frequency, support Bluetooth compatible, USB player. LED triangle warning. LED work lights portable and flexibility, because the LED portable work light is cordless, with a 180-degree adjustable lamp stand, so you can put it in anywhere just you like. Rechargeable floodlight hanging on truck or handheld. Car interior light, over 8 colors and different tones for selection. You can create your own unique color. The interior car lights will sync to music on your phone or any sound captured from microphone, so then lights will change their colors. GPS car tracker can be used in many types of cars. We can always know the location of our car and protect the safety of the car. The device will enter the monitor mode, and we can hear the sound around the device, can prevent rain and water splash. Car tire pressure monitor, solar charging. Don't need to connect car cigarette lighter to charge. Color LCD digital display for clear display of tire information. Monitor the pressure and temperature of 4 tires in real time. Car seat organizer, environmental protection, no smell, large capacity classification. Reserved compartment design, can be stored separately. Reserved charging hole design, safe and beautiful. Directly insert, Fill the seat crevice, easy to install. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.